The Russians make no distinction between Alcatel and your people.
And I make no distinction between Alcatel and the Russian army. They're both terrorists. We would never use these poisons.
Then help us track it before they...
Before they what? Take it to Europe? Or America? We live like this every day.
Commander, it's time to go. Who is this?
Alex, this is my brother and Lieutenant, Hadir.
You are CIA?
He works with Captain Price.
Then you kill Russians, yes?
I have friends who can help us. But your sister decides what's next.
Of course. My sister is in command. And the Russian army is still here.
This occupation must end. That we can all agree on, yes? General Barkov's men control the city. We have plans to change that.
We have no missiles, but we have our ways.
If you stay, we can help you. But if you stay, you fight.
Yelling out to him.
Marhaba Ali, Urzikstan, Alex.
Follow me. These tunnels are our lifeline. We have intel Russian troop commanders are in town today. We're going to ambush them.
How?
Explosives.
That'll get their attention.
And pull security away from the Russian base, leaving it open to an attack.
We must hold nothing back.
Too far on that path, and we lose ourselves. Get set for the airbase attack.
Be safe. Alex, take these charges. C4 with remote detonator.
Thanks.
Watch my sister. Good luck.
You too.
Hamsara. Yalla. American?
Zalame Kafu. Here, Alex. Put this on.
How do I look?
It'll do. Tarek, what's the report?
Russians are just outside. If they see your weapons, they will shoot.
That happens. Our plan fails before it starts. Alex, our guns give us away. Keep it hidden. Follow me.
Aoso! За тебя и еды сегодня не будет!
I'm General Roman Barkov, your superior and commander.
Barkov's forces occupy the entire city. They separate out men and women. They will be very soon. Their officers are coming.
Did Barkov show up?
Almost never. He hides while others do his dirty work.
What kind of dirty work?
Punishment. For fighting
Men
back.
on the work line! Women to the trucks!
This is where we split up. You'll need to comply to blend in.
In spite of my generosity and protection, there are forces in Uzbekistan who refuse to learn the lesson of merit.
Не двигайся!
I'm through.
Стой!
Go left, down the alley. See that soldier?
А ну стой!
Take him.
Get over here, now!
كريم ديري بالك أخاف تكتي. You're resourceful. Good. Let's go. I have contacts posted just ahead. They'll have more explosives for us. A bigger blast will pull more forces away from the Russian base. Shit. Barkov's soldiers have found my contacts. They may be dead already.
Can't go loud. Need a suppressor.
Find an oil filter. It will silence your weapon.
Барков нас предупреждал.
Check civilian cars. I'll keep watch on the guards.
This one's empty.
Continue to launch
Keep searching.
senseless attacks in the name of so-called freedom.
That'll do it.
Good. Head back and flank right. Go around the truck. Right side.
Пак попросил взять кого-то живым. Нафига?
You get two.
Рабочая
I'll
сила.
take the rest.
Пав в прислугу, мужик.
Какого черта?
Clear. Stay low. Hold up. Stay away from the door.
Осторожно, могут быть растяжки.
Do you have a shot?
Yep.
Take two. I'll take the other.
Clear.
This way.
Sorry about your contacts.
We have the explosives. Your sacrifice will not be in vain.
Follow me. I'll lead.
You defy General Thornton, you will be made an example of. What is it?
Please, she's just scared.
Stand down. I know what you mean. You understand why we do this? They hanged because they killed our soldiers. Now look at them.
Let's get moving.
We can live peacefully, but only
This is a
if we help
goddamn
each
war
other.
crime.
Punishment for the
It is the
stolen gas.
terrorists who caused this pain
Barkov blames
for all
us
of
for
us.
stealing it.
What can we do?
Unite our causes.
Accomplish our mission
Expose
and
these
put an end to
terrorists,
Barkov's
and
cruelty
you will
forever.
be rewarded.
Through here, up the ladder. Barkov is sending in helicopters. We take them out. Forces from the base will come running.
Giving us a window to attack.
Send explosives on the helicopter. I'll cover you. Guards get in your way. Take them out. Quietly. Meet back here when you're through.